Hello friends, Seth over here working on fixing a vise handle. This is some really hard old wood. I got it drilled out proper. Last thing is to put your brass hardware in there, but last thing you want to do is break this guy off in there like that one is. That would be a bad day. So I'm going to take some wax. I'm going to wax this screw up real good. Give her some lubrication. Maybe a little too tight here. Oh, that's beautiful. And now we just listen for that wonderful sound. Oh yeah, that's the nuts right there. Another wax screw. Guess we need the top though, that would help. It rolled away, tried to escape. Oh yeah, oh yeah, waxed screw. This is a nice number trace Felipe. One of my favorite screws in existence, by the way. That might tighten up on me, but that's a good repair. Very nice, if I do say so myself. Very nice indeed.